All right, so right off the bat, you can see how dirty my chain is before I start cleaning it. I'm going to use this Clean Bright, diluted 1 to 10. I kind of use the same bottle over and over again. And it's pretty easy. You just take off the handle. It's got a little clip push button there. And you push towards the arrow, up and away. It opens it up so you can put it onto the chain. Now, I like to fill it up all the way to that ridge. Basically, any farther, it'll start spilling out on its own. And you get a good amount of cleaner in there. It's going to spill it as you do it anyway, so make sure you're doing this over someplace you don't mind getting cleaner on the ground. All right, and then you just put it onto the chain, underneath, and then you put the lid up on top inside the holes, and then push it away from the arrow. And then once you get that on, you're going to put the handle back on into the clip until it latches, and then it's good and on there. And you're supposed to pull it this way. I sometimes go back and forth, but going with a backpedaling motion pulls the chain through the cleaners as it brushes it, and then it hits that rubber end, and it's supposed to pull off all the loosened, grime and oil and basically all the grub that's on your chain. Now, in order to get this clean, I did about 3-4 passes with the cleaner and then 3-4 passes with water. And I got most of it off. I had to go into my cogs a little bit with my brush, which is what you should be doing anyways. And here we go to Tri-Flow. Tri-Flow is a nice lubricating oil I like to use. Pretty classic. You mark your chain with a Sharpie, and then you put 1 drop for every single chain link. And there you have it. You've cleaned your chain, you lubricated it, and it's ready to go out on the road again. And this is my wet rainy day commuter bike, so it's got to have that good stuff. Well, there you have it, guys. All in all, I say it's a pretty dang good option. It does fall apart a bit. It's cheaper, but it does the job just as much as the more expensive version, these bicycle chain cleaners. So there you have it. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to keep your chains clean and your bikes purty.